There's also a lot of speculation about what legal consequences the McCloskeys could face over their reaction to protesters. The I-Team is breaking down how Missouri law may very well be on their side. Here's investigative reporter PJ Randawa.
St. Louis Circuit Attorney Kim Gardner says she was alarmed to see video of protesters being met with guns Sunday. While her office is investigating, we decided to take a look at the laws surrounding personal property and your rights to defend yourself.
Some people might say, well, why didn't they just go back into their homes, into their home? And you could argue that as a practical matter, but the law says you don't have to retreat.
John Amon, professor emeritus with the St. Louis University School of Law, says most of the actions taken by the McCloskeys Sunday appear to be protected by numerous state laws.
They have the open carry law in Missouri that allows them to have their guns in public. We have the Castle Doctrine that says you can defend your house and your lives and your property. And we have the law that says you can stand your ground and you don't need to retreat.
The McCloskeys told protesters they were on private property on a private street, but people walk down private streets all the time. Amon says that doesn't necessarily mean homeowners can threaten you with a weapon.
If a neighbor is having people over for a picnic and they're walking down the street to a neighbor's house, this couple surely can't go in their front yard and point guns at them. And of course, it creates a lot of practical problems if you think that you're the private security guard for the entire neighborhood.
So could the gun-wielding attorneys who are making headlines across the world find themselves in legal trouble? Amon says any charge would be a long shot. The couple claims at least one protester threatened them with a gun, and that's their ultimate legal defense.
The end result might be, hey, there was technically illegal behavior on both sides, and we're going to come up with a plan to deal with it. That gets a little complicated. This is the new frontier of protesting in St. Louis, because a few years ago, you would not have seen the police backing off and allowing people to take over entire streets with protest.
For the I-Team, PJ Randawa, 5 on your side.
Kim Gardner says her office is currently working with the public and police to investigate the incident.
We have more.